Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new, please subscribe, hit the like button, and please press the notification bell so anytime I drop a new video, you'll be here to vibe with me. So today, I'm plucking these vegetables to cook, but I'm going to be doing a farm tour for you guys. So please stay tuned and subscribe. We don't think about it. So this and this and this are two different vegetables, but we mix them to cook. When you're going to cook, you can plug this and this together with another leaf. I'll show you how that vegetable looks like. You can mix them. So this morning we just finished having. I'm blessing. Sorry, me, huh? مركز إلي. So over here is okra. 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 This okra plant. But it has not yet produced the okra fruit itself, but it will soon do. So this is okra. We also have okra in our farm. We have pepper over there. I'll be showing you that too. And yeah, that is just it. Smell.
So this one is a corn
Maize.
maize.
Yeah, it's a maize.
This one is a maize.
Maize what? Maize farm.
Maize farm.
So this is a maize farm. The maize is not yet ready, but as you can see, it is producing a lot of maize. And this is a beef plant. So all the things we sowed this season, it is only millet that is ready. The rest are not ready. And we have pepper here.
Pepper plant. And tomato plant.
This is also another vegetables for cooking. And this is pepper. 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 And this is also a leafy farm. This is granite. Galaxy. Not bad, kind of yard. Hello. So guys, that is all for today's video. That is like a day with me and all that. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.